'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring.
The next oil is called Thieves. Thieves has its whole line of products. You can get Thieves cough drops. You can get Thieves laundry soap. We have a cleaner called Thieves household cleaner, and it dilutes to where you're actually spending like less than 50 cents per spray bottle of this cleaner, and it disinfects everything. But the uses of this oil are for if you're feeling unwell, like when you're getting sick, your body starts to feel down. I will take a drop or two of this on my tongue. I don't recommend that if you're new to oils because it is a hot oil. It has cinnamon and clove, so it is considered hot. I just drink water afterward, but it will get rid of whatever is ailing you. It's amazing. Next is frankincense. This is considered the coconut oil of essential oils because it has so many uses. It was used in ancient times as a cure-all for everything from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. So today we use it for women. You like to use it for fine lines around their face. We use it for skin impurities and imperfections. You can put it on rashes, eczema, poison ivy, things like that. It's also very calming. If you're feeling scared or anxious or nervous, you can apply it right on your chest. Some people wear it for just to help them have clearer thinking on the back of their neck or their wrist. Frankincense has a bazillion uses, literally. You can ask in the comments if you have more specific questions for that oil. Next is Citrus Fresh. This is a blend of citrus oils which come from the rind. The citrus oils do not come from the juice of the fruit, but they are cold pressed from the rind. So if you are allergic to some of these citrus fruits, you may not be allergic to the oil. But again, you should ask your doctor before using anything anyway. I'm not a doctor and I don't claim to be. I'm just sharing how I use these oils. This one is very cleansing and refreshing. It's great diffused. It can help eliminate odors in your house. The citrus oils, this one and lemon, they work very good on pimples. They like to draw things out. So if I'm feeling unwell, I will put these on my lymph nodes because it kind of helps to drain. If you're going to use a citrus oil, do not use this and go right out into the sunlight because they are photosensitive. So that just means if you're out in the sun, it could darken your skin, sun exposure to this oil in your skin. So if you're going to use it, just use it at nighttime so it has time to absorb, and the next morning you get up and if you're in the sun, it's not going to hurt anything. Lemon is great for removing stains. I had tar on a hard surface on one of my chairs in the house, and I used lemon oil and it takes it right off. I've used it to remove gum, lots of sticky things. It will remove sticker residue. So it's got many uses as well. You can also drink this in your water. If you put it in a glass or metal container, you can put the essential oil in, maybe a drop or two, and drink it with a metal straw. And it's very cleansing and detoxifying for your body. So on the bottom of this kit, you can lift this up and you have more treasures. Stress Away, kind of the name speaks for itself. A lot of people use this like a perfume, or if they're going into stressful situations. I know a lot of people use it during the holidays when they're going to be around a lot of family. You can apply it right in your neck or your wrist. If you have a small child, you can put it on the bottom of their feet if they're feeling grumpy. And Peace and Calming, you can use it the same way. I like to diffuse this oil because if I diffuse this at night, I sleep solid all night. That is how to use those oils. This cleaner that comes in the kit, this is highly concentrated. So you can mix according to the directions on the back and have a lot of good cleaner. This is the hand sanitizer. So this is like liquid gold right now. You just need a tiny bit. It does not contain any alcohol. And again, it's made with the Thieves essential oil. Ningxia Red is great for every system of the body. It's also energizing. I didn't know if it would work. When I first got into oils, my husband and I decided we'd try a bottle. And we were like, oh, we can't tell a difference. I don't know if this stuff works. So we ran out, and then we could really tell a difference in our energy levels. So Ningxia Red does give you lots of energy. And it's clean energy, not like sugar drinks that make you feel tired afterward. So those are my tips on using the oils from your kit. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.
'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire.